Welcome back, skincare enthusiasts. Today, we're decoding the secrets to smooth, youthful skin. We're talking about banishing those pesky dark spots and saying peace out to wrinkles. With so many products out there, it can feel like a maze trying to find what actually works. Well, stress no more because I'm here to break it all down for you. Let's get started. Okay, let's talk retinol. If you've heard about skincare, you've probably come across this powerhouse ingredient. Retinol is like that friend who always keeps their promises. It delivers. It boosts cell turnover, encouraging your skin to shed old, damaged cells and reveal fresh new ones. This process helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and stubborn dark spots. Remember, consistency is key with retinol. Now let's talk about hydration, because no skincare routine is complete without it. Hyaluronic acid is the queen bee of hydration. It acts like a sponge, drawing moisture from the air and locking it into your skin. This hydration boost plumps up the skin, making it look instantly more youthful and improving elasticity. Plus, it works wonders for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Let's be real, dark spots are the worst. But don't worry, we've got the perfect eviction notice, vitamin C. This potent antioxidant brightens and evens out your skin tone. Vitamin C works by inhibiting melanin production, helping to fade existing dark spots and prevent new ones. Plus, it boosts collagen production, giving your skin extra firmness and bounce. Think of vitamin C as a shield against environmental damage. Who doesn't want brighter, more radiant skin? You need niacinamide in your life. This multitasking ingredient tackles everything from minimizing pores to controlling oil production. Niacinamide strengthens the skin barrier, reducing inflammation, redness, and breakouts. It also reduces the appearance of pores and smooths out skin texture. Boost your natural glow with niacinamide. You know how much I love retinol, so we had to bring it back for round 2. When it comes to minimizing fine lines and wrinkles, retinol reigns supreme. Retinol boosts cell turnover and stimulates collagen production, keeping our skin firm and youthful. As we age, collagen production slows down, leading to wrinkles. Incorporating retinol into your routine helps maintain collagen levels. The result? Smoother, firmer, more youthful-looking skin. Sometimes our skin just needs a break. In our fast-paced lives, we often forget to give our skin the care and attention it deserves. Stress, pollution, and harsh weather conditions can take a toll on our skin, leaving it feeling tired and irritated. Aloe vera is here to the rescue with its soothing and healing properties. This natural wonder has been used for centuries to treat various skin conditions and is known for its incredible ability to rejuvenate and refresh the skin. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory agents, aloe vera calms and soothes even the most sensitive skin. Its cooling effect provides instant relief from irritation and redness, making it a must-have in your skincare routine. It's like a tall glass of water for your skin, instantly quenching its thirst. The hydrating properties of aloe vera penetrate deep into the skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and glowing with health. Gentle enough for all skin types, it can soothe everything from sunburns to eczema. Whether you're dealing with a minor irritation or a more serious skin condition, aloe vera provides the gentle care your skin needs to heal and recover. Keep a bottle of pure aloe vera gel on hand for extra TLC. It's a versatile and essential addition to any skincare regimen, ensuring your skin stays calm, hydrated, and happy. Imagine your skin as a brick wall, and ceramides as the mortar that holds everything together. Ceramides act as the building blocks of a healthy skin barrier. A strong skin barrier prevents moisture loss, keeps irritants out, and maintains a balanced complexion. Factors like aging and environmental stressors can weaken our skin barrier. Replenishing ceramide levels strengthens that protective barrier. Think of it as giving your skin its daily dose of armor. Let's talk antioxidants, those powerful molecules that protect our skin from free radicals. These tiny defenders are crucial in maintaining the health and vitality of your skin. They work tirelessly to combat the damage caused by environmental stressors like pollution, UV rays, and even the blue light from your screens. Free radicals cause oxidative stress, leading to premature aging and inflammation. This oxidative stress breaks down collagen, which is essential for keeping your skin firm and youthful. Without antioxidants, your skin would be more prone to wrinkles, fine lines, and other signs of aging. Vitamin E is your skin's personal bodyguard, shielding it from environmental damage. This powerful antioxidant is found in many skincare products and is known for its ability to protect and repair your skin. It helps to strengthen the skin barrier, making it more resilient against external aggressors. It neutralizes free radicals, preventing them from wreaking havoc on your skin cells. By doing so, vitamin E helps to maintain the integrity of your skin, keeping it smooth, supple, and healthy. This neutralization process is vital for preventing long-term damage and maintaining a youthful appearance. Vitamin E also protects from sun damage, reduces inflammation, and improves the appearance of scars. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to soothe irritated skin, while its healing abilities promote faster recovery from sunburns and other skin injuries. Remember the power of vitamin E for a skincare ingredient that packs a punch. Incorporating it into your daily routine can make a significant difference in the health and appearance of your skin. So next time you're shopping for skincare products, look for those that contain this mighty antioxidant. Remember how much we love hyaluronic acid for hydration? Meet its sidekick, squalane. This luxurious oil leaves your skin feeling plump, supple, and hydrated. Squalane mimics our skin's natural oils, replenishing lost moisture. It creates a protective barrier that prevents further water loss. Lightweight and non-comedogenic, squalane is suitable for all skin types. Achieve that dewy glow with squalane. Peptides are the messengers of the skincare world, signaling your skin cells to produce more collagen and elastin. They help repair and rebuild damaged skin cells, reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and acne scars. Peptides improve skin elasticity and firmness, giving your skin that bounce-back factor. Incorporate peptides into your routine for youthful, radiant skin. Beta-glucan is like that friend who always knows how to make you feel good. This natural ingredient soothes irritation, reduces redness, and boosts hydration. It strengthens the skin barrier, making it more resilient and less prone to sensitivity. Beta-glucan is a polysaccharide found in plants, fungi, and some bacteria. Reach for a product containing beta-glucan to nourish and soothe your skin. A witch hazel has been used for centuries for its skin-loving properties. This natural astringent tones, clarifies, and soothes the skin. Beneficial for oily and acne-prone skin, it controls oil production, tightens pores, and reduces inflammation. For smoother, clearer, and more balanced skin, give witch hazel a try. After diving deep into all those amazing ingredients, you might wonder how to incorporate them all. Enter BeFabLuxx Retinol PM All-in-One. This revolutionary product combines retinol, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and more to deliver visible results while you sleep. It's a one-stop shop for all your skincare needs, simplifying your routine. Achieve smooth, youthful, radiant skin without the hassle of a 10-step routine. Let's be real, we're all busy. BeFabLuxx Retinol PM All-in-One streamlines your nighttime routine, allowing you to reap the benefits of multiple skincare steps in one application. No more spending precious minutes layering on serums and moisturizers. Achieve incredible results with just one product. It's a shortcut to smooth, youthful, radiant skin. BeFabLuxx Retinol PM All-in-One Affordable Luxury. Achieve high-end results without the high-end price tag. This luxurious formula is packed with premium ingredients at a fraction of the cost. BeFabLuxx believes everyone deserves access to effective, high-quality skincare. Enjoy luxurious, affordable skincare with BeFabLuxx Retinol PM All-in-One. Unlock your best skin with BeFabLuxx. Our revolutionary skincare line is designed to bring out the best in your skin, no matter your skin type or concerns. Whether you're dealing with dryness, oiliness, or sensitivity, BeFabLuxx has a solution tailored just for you. Our products are formulated with high-quality ingredients that nourish and rejuvenate your skin, giving you that radiant glow you've always desired. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the world of skincare. We hope you found these tips and insights helpful. Remember, skincare is not just about looking good. It's about feeling good and taking care of yourself. Achieving healthy, radiant skin is a journey, not a destination. It requires consistency, patience, and the right products. With BeFabLuxx, you can trust that you're using products that are both effective and gentle on your skin. Be patient with your skin and experiment with different ingredients and products. Everyone's skin is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Don't be afraid to try new things and find what works best for you. For a simplified routine with incredible results, check out BeFabLuxx Retinol PM All-in-One. This product combines the power of retinol with other nourishing ingredients to help you achieve smoother, clearer, and more youthful-looking skin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Your support helps us continue to bring you the best in skincare advice and product recommendations. Find BeFabLuxx Retinol PM All-in-One now available on Amazon and TikTok. Shopping for skincare has never been easier. Just a few clicks and you can have our top-rated products delivered right to your door. See you in the next video. Stay fabulous and keep glowing with BeFabLuxx. Until next time, take care of your skin and yourself.